From Assam side, we are eager to resolve the pending disputes. 6 pending disputes are there. 3 out of that 3 are actually we can resolve at any point of time. I think Meghalaya is waiting to see that the other 3 is also resolved together. So we are working on, and we will keep on working, and I am sure that the balance 6 will also be resolved mutually. See, this involves people's sentiment of both the states. So time frame is not good, but at the same time we should hope and pray that it will be resolved sooner than later. Survey of India is doing the demarcation, and they are proceeding well. But whatever we have signed in presence of Home Minister is binding to both the governments.